Hello students, welcome to SK Biology. We are learning genetic code. Once genetic code is completely discovered, scientists studied properties of genetic code. Let us understand all these properties one by one. The first property of genetic code is universal. This property states that across all organisms, from virus, bacteria to humans, genetic code is same. Same codon specifies same amino acid in all species. There are few exceptions like mitochondria, chloroplast, etc. This table shows all codons and respective amino acid for all organisms, which shows that genetic code is universal. Second property, the genetic code is triplet. As per the third assumption of scientists, it is proven that the genetic code is triplet. That is, it consists of three nucleotide sequence called codon to specify one amino acid. For example, here three nucleotides GUU codes for valine amino acid, UGU codes for cysteine amino acid, and UUG codes for leucine amino acid. So, to code one amino acid, three nucleotides are needed. That is, genetic code is triplet. Third property, the genetic code is degenerate. As we know that 61 codons code 20 amino acids. These extra codons present in genetic code are actually responsible for this property of degeneracy, where multiple codons can specify same amino acid. For example, phenylalanine can be coded by two different codons. Glutamic acid can be coded by two different codons, and serine also has 6 different codons. Such multiple codons of one amino acids are known as synonymous codon. In this table, you can see amino acids and their respective number of synonymous codon. This all data suggests that code is degenerate. Fourth property, the genetic code is non-overlapping. It means codon is read one at a time without any overlapping, so that one nucleotide will be read only once while reading sequence. Let us suppose this is the polynucleotide sequence. This RNA sequence will read in non-overlapping triplet as first 3 nucleotides, then next 3 nucleotides, then another next 3 nucleotides, and so on. Each triplet will code specific amino acids as shown here in this picture: proline, glycine, valine, and cysteine, etc. No any nucleotide is repeated while reading. So, it proves that genetic code is non-overlapping. Fifth property, the genetic code is unambiguous. This property states that one codon will code for particular amino acid. There are multiple codons for one amino acid, but single codon will specifically code for particular amino acid. For example, triple U will code phenylalanine every time. GUU will code for valine only. So, single codon will not code more than one amino acid. It means code is unambiguous. Sixth property, the genetic code is commaless. This means no any punctuation or gap in nucleotide sequence while reading. The complete polynucleotide sequence from start codon to stop codon is called as open reading frame, ORF, and codons are read in continuous sequence without any break. Suppose this is the open reading frame in which reading will start from AUG, that is start codon. Then next 3 nucleotides will read for specific amino acid unless and until it reaches to stop codon. So, no any gap or comma in between reading frame. So, genetic code is commaless. The last property of genetic code is Abel hypothesis, given by scientist Francis Crick. This Obel hypothesis explores how single tRNA can recognize multiple codons. I repeat, this hypothesis explains how single tRNA can recognize multiple codons. This hypothesis states that pairing between codon, that is mRNA, and anticodon on tRNA is strict for first two nucleotides of codon but flexible for third nucleotide. This third position is called as Obel position. Let us understand Obel hypothesis with example. Here, synonymous tRNA for leucine has anticodon GAG. It can pair with codon CUC as well as CUU, the synonymous codon of leucine. The first two nucleotides in both codon is Cu, but third nucleotide is changed. So 1 and 2 nucleotide base pair by strict pairing, but third nucleotide shows flexible pairing, that is pairing at Obel position. Due to this property of Obel position, single tRNA can recognize multiple codons of one amino acid. So, to code 20 amino acid, genetic code has 3 times codons in number, that is 61 codon. This is all about genetic code and its properties.